Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download and install Happn app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, so whichever you have of course. This video will be made on an iPhone, so this will be for only iPhone users and it will be done on the App Store. So when you open the App Store here, as you can see, you'll have this tab where you have the Today. You can go and check out the App Store for today, the games, or you can go and check out all of the games, apps, arcade, and we have the search bar, search section, which we of course need. So here what you need to do is go to the search bar and type in Happn. So it's Happn, click search. And then here, as you can see, you'll have it. This is the first one. Now here you can see the rating, you can see the age, chart, developer language, and the size of the application. And when you want to go and download it, just click on Get. Then double click for your Face ID or put in your password, however you set it up. After that, you just need to go and wait for it to download. When it downloads, you can go and click on to check out the reviews. Again, to check out the information and all of these things here, as you can see. But now when it downloads, in the same time, it will also install the application. So you don't have to worry. It will be downloaded, installed, and now you can just click open and you'll have the application in front of you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.